It is time for the Super Nintendo Super Retro Trio video. And in this video we're going to try out the Super Retro Trio Plus, the Super NES part. And in this video, like the Sega and other videos, we're going to test out all of the kind of cartridges we can find, like homebrew, multi-game cards, original PAL, and cards with an FX chip. And even this version from Retro itself. Woo! And the first game we're going to try out is
Secret of Mana 2. This is the English version, and it's dumped on a PAL cartridge. This is the Japanese title, but the game itself is fan-made, transformed into English language.
cool.
So that's really nice. Otherwise, I don't understand Japanese, so it won't be playable for me.
And now we're going to try out in Japanese. Yeah, Japanese fighting game.
That's the woman, the voice of Goku. And also this one works fine. Okay, next.
Super Mario World, Return of the Dinosaur Land.
Really fun game.
Dude, what is this?
Never played this?
No.
Okay.
Oh, we got a save file. Cool, let's see.
It's an edited version of the original Super Mario World with new puzzles
Cool, let's
and
try
new
it.
levels. It's really fun to play. And as you can see, the screen, oh my god, it's so bright. The colors are so nice.
Just one fine.
Indeed.
And
Next.
I've played this game a lot. Like a child, I rented from Videoland in that time. Oh man, the soundtrack.
I love the 3D special effects back in the days.
Oh, it works fine. It's an original PAL game. And now we have an original game, an anti-CS game.
Frogger.
Rubber. Oh, old school game. Really old school.
Get ready. Okay.
Alright, wait. Ooh.
Splat.
Splatter bonus.
And now we're playing Joe and Mac, the reproduction that is licensed by the original company Data East, and it's made by Retrobit, the same company that produced the console.
Oh, the Ultimate Caveman Collection.
The original Joe and Mac 2 on the NES or on the SNES, or it's called Joe and Mac 3 in Europe. It's the same game as Joe and Mac 2 in America. It's really expensive if you want to buy it complete. Even the separate cartridge is very expensive. And this card you can buy for around 30 bucks. And you also got the games with an official license. And as you can see, it works fine.
And we have here the 101 PAL version Chinese multi-game card.
From China!
Yes, yes. And that's just a good game. Cool spot. Cool spot. It works just fine. I never played it game, only on a Mega Drive.
Start!
That's why I really love the intro.
Shell Shock.
Awesome.
Just like in Turtles. When you got hit, they said Shell Shock. Nice. And now we're going to try out an old school multi-cartridge back at the days. The 8-in-1.
Of course we're going to do Lamborghini Racing Champion.
Yeah, really nice game. With a nice soundtrack. Come on. let's negotiate.
I think we're going to skip this part because this video is going to be 30 minutes.
Okay.
Super FX.
And as you can see, it also supports FX games. And a lot of clones have problems with these games.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Nice! So that means that you can play Doom on it and Star Fox. Or Star Wars. And now for the final cartridge, Mega Man X2 and X3 will also use a special chip inside from Capcom.
And it's an original game. Because there are no reproductions of the FX.
Well, it's actually a Japanese version and they converted to PAL, but the board itself is original.
Ah. But again...
Also this one does work.
But we can conclude that also the Super NES part is just great.
It's super, it plays everything. Everything. USA games, PAL games, custom games, new games, multi-games, old multi-games, the new multi-card games. The only downside is that it plays all on 50 Hz, but if you don't mind and if you live in Europe, yeah, we don't know otherwise. We always play this on this, this speed. So to me, I really love it.
So people, I want to thank you for watching. It's really an awesome way of making new videos again.
Also a really good screen quality. The sound is very good.
I love making videos like this, don't you?
Indeed.
Playing these old games on HDMI, I really love it. So, see you in the next video, people. Bye bye!
Hey, and don't forget, you can buy this system from the company Mindscape. You put the link below.
Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, yeah, don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.